Here in the main control hub, we monitor all essential systems. The robotic arm is currently undergoing diagnostics before
maintaining resistance level 7 on the lower body device.
Copy that. Proceeding with the diagnostic check now.
传过去，别让他跑了。
接着呢，新年好。
In the center, in the Tiangong core module, every inch is utilized. We secure everything, like these supply bags. And over Welcome to the Tiangong core module. All systems are currently nominal as we prepare for the next phase.
Valve secured. Confirming pressure levels now.
Reading nominal. Procedure complete.
Okay, applying final torque to the upper strut.
Confirmed secure. The panel is seated correctly.
Tiangong core module, Harmony of the Heavens, measuring 16.6 meters long and 4.2 meters wide.
While the exhibit is impressive, the reality of the Tiangong space station orbiting 400 kilometers
检查一下这个喷接器。
好的，数主正常，可以激活。
Check the alignment on booster 7.
Reading nominal. Secure the clamps.
Welcome back to the Tiangong station. Can you tell us what a typical day is like up there?
It is a privilege to...
How do you celebrate holidays in space?
Happy New Year, everyone! We wish you the best!
The telescope provides a massive leap forward in...
connection point secured.
Proceeding to the next sequence check.
The telescope you see here, Juntian, will co-orbit with the station, allowing for large-scale sky surveys with incredible clarity.
Co-fights.
Here we see the automated docking sequence in action. The precision alignment is critical before the robot... I have the components.
Copy that. Proceeding to the airlock.
The Tiangong station is pivotal for our deep space observation missions. The telescope module is currently analyzing exoplanet atmospheres.
Ready for transfer.
Got the latch secure. Panels clear on this side.
Status check on the environmental control system is complete. We are go for activation.
The life support systems are stable.
Confirmed. We've monitored the oxygen levels overnight.
Handover complete for this shift.
This panel controls the external experiments.
And this readout shows the current energy intake from the solar arrays.
We are currently running at peak efficiency. Finally. This is the core module. While smaller than the ISS overall,
we are making significant progress with the plant growth experiments. The data from these rice and Arabidopsis samples show.
as you can see, the rice experiment is thriving alongside the Arabidopsis. We are gathering crucial data.
International cooperation is the essential future of space exploration. By working together,
Welcome back to the Tiangong station. Today, we are demonstrating the fluid dynamics in microgravity.
Notice how the handheld device stabilizes the vortex.
Look at the readings here. We have a green light.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the sequence.
看看这里的调测数据，一切都很稳定。
收到，我正在变路状态。
Happy New Year, everyone!
We wish you all the best
From orbit.
Study hard and keep looking up.
Welcome back to the New Year special. We have a question for the crew.
Make sure these are stowed properly.
Pushing into the rack now. Latch engaged. Secure. Hi everyone, from the core module. I'm the commander, and this is our team. We'll be working here for the next few months. We need to recalibrate the atmospheric sensors here.
Okay, I am running the diagnostic sequence.
This pork is surprisingly good in zero gravity.
Yeah, much better than the last batch. I'm getting hungry. We'll eat later. We prioritize fresh food when the supply ship arrives. Today's menu features these noodles and freshly baked goods alongside the standard packets.
This is Mission Control. The historic Shenzhou 19 docking is complete. We confirm crew entry procedures are underway.
We monitor these couplings closely as they regulate the primary coolant loop. All right, pull it steady. Clear on the left. The dry adhesion pads allow us to simulate Earth gravity for lower body resistance training. It's crucial for maintaining bone density up here.
To counter muscle and bone loss in zero gravity, the crew must adhere to a strict resistance training regimen.
Check the telemetry on screen 3. The drift is increasing slightly.
Copy that. Adjusting the parameters now.
The new designs balance aesthetics with the rigorous demands of long-term orbital missions aboard the Tiangong.
Welcome to the Tiangong technical module. As you can see, the life support systems are fully integrated here.
We use this specialized equipment to manage the external payloads. The data streams directly to this console for immediate analysis by the ground team.
Initiating the fluid transfer now.
Globule formation is stable. Note the contact angle on the cloth.
Pressure holding steady at 0.5 megapascals.
Copy that. Monitoring the flame geometry now.
Noted for the material science log.
We are now initiating the protein crystallization sequence for experiment A.
Confirming temperature stability at 20 degrees Celsius.
The alignment is complete. We confirm the international collaboration module is fully engaged.
Ground control, this is Tiangong EVA-1. External scan of the forward module complete. All systems nominal.
Battery seated. Applying torque now.
Connection confirmed. We have green light on channel 3.
Robotic arm alignment confirmed. Proceeding with sensor array calibration.